Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Rattie's Door Icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the first eye with a circle on the left side. And then inside, let's draw another circle on the top. Another smaller one inside. And then a circle around in the center for the pupil. And color this in black. Now for the eyelashes, let's draw 3 angled lines down on the right side. And then let's thicken each of these lines up like this. Now top over to the right and a little bit lower, let's draw another circle for the other eye. And then another large circle inside on the bottom corner. And then a circle inside at the top. A curve around in the center. And color this in black. And again, let's add the eyelashes. Let's draw 3 angles down underneath. And then thicken each of these lines up. And that's it for the eyes. Next, we're going to hop on top and draw the flower. On top of the right eye, let's draw a curve down. 2 more petals going out. And then 2 on top. And then hop inside and let's draw a circle. Now that we have the flower, we can draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve over to the eye. And continue it on the other side. Then let's hop to the right and let's draw a curve down. And a long curve across the bottom to close off the shape of the head. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the nose. At the bottom, let's add a curve. And then a bump up on top. And that's it for the face. Now let's add the ears. On the top left, let's draw a large curve up and out. And curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop inside. Let's start on the eye and draw a curve up. Bring it out and back in. And lastly, let's hop in and let's draw a curve down from the top and continue it underneath. And that's it for the left ear. Now let's hop over to the right side. We'll start with a long curve down. Then let's bring it back in underneath. Now let's hop inside the ear and let's draw a wavy curve down along the top. And back up underneath. And then again, a line down and continue it on the other side. And that's it for the ears. Now before we add the body, let's draw the circle. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a circular curve up and down. And then let's continue it underneath in the same way, forming a large circle. Now we're going to thicken up the line by drawing another circle inside. And then color both of these in black. Now that we have the shape of the door icon, let's hop back in and draw the body. Let's start with the curve down on the left and on the right. And then inside, let's draw two long curves across. And that's it for Rattie's door. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!